Today, I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink tank in the Epson SureColor F170. The compatible ink tanks are these here. Let's get started. Ensure that your printer is turned on. The ink tanks can be accessed here. When it is on, you can proceed to opening the cover, then opening the ink tank cover. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. Remove the new ink tank from its packaging. For this printer, your black tank will be on the left side, followed by cyan, then magenta, and lastly, the yellow ink tank will be on the right. Make sure that you insert the ink tank into the slot that has the same colored letter as the color you are installing. Now, shake the bottle of ink about 15 times. Then, untwist the cap. Do not do a test spray into the air. You'll literally get ink everywhere. Insert the ink bottle straight into the port to fill the ink to the upper line. Lightly squeeze the bottle. Then, once you've filled the tank to full, recap the bottle and repeat the steps for the other colors. Recap the individual tanks once you've filled. After you refill all the tanks that need filling, close the ink tank cover. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the ink level being refilled and process them to begin the printing process. All done, now you're ready to print.